I do love fish, and my mom knows. So every time now and then, she often gets me this kind of size. And yeah, thank you, Mama.
Sure, my favorite. This is my favorite. Yep, this is what do you call before, shortly after it's coming up. And of course, with ugali. Of course, I can't finish all this, but it's usually weird making small ugali. But hey, 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 let's see how this one will go down. We go down. Yeah.
Yep, so this is one of the Kenyan cuisine. I love ugali. I think next time I will show you the process of preparing the fish and spinach. But it's so yummy, so stay tuned.
Yolololololo. Mama Malai, God bless you. I'm full already. I'm full already. Oops, someone is calling. Pick the call.
Thereafter, fruits. Thank you for watching.